Hey. Well, hey guys, it's Hazel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed already, what are you doing? So today I am filming my everyday makeup tutorial because I posted a different video showing like my super easy kind of everyday makeup, but just in a different format, and everyone was asking for all the product details. So I was like, why not make a YouTube video, because I haven't made an updated everyday makeup tutorial in a long time. So I thought I'd share with you guys. I'm going to the trampoline park today with my brother and his friends, so I was like, let me just do my really fast makeup tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys, like I'm gonna time it so you guys can see actually how fast it is. So right now it is 10:16 and we'll see when we're done. It's kind of hot in here. Anyway, so because it's summer, instead of using a foundation, I like to just spot conceal, and I like to do this with a few different concealers, mainly the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I feel like they blend really well, and they also give me a good amount of coverage without feeling too heavy on my face. So this is, where's my other one? So this is in the shade 25 medium and 20 sand, and this is 142 golden. I like to use this one to contour, so I'm just gonna spot conceal right now. And then I like to take a beauty sponge and just blend that all out. Another concealer that I like to use sometimes is the Nars Radiant Creamy one, but I've just been leaning more towards the Fit Me one recently. The next thing I like to do is contour and kind of like bronze my face, just because I feel like my face tends to be a lot lighter than the rest of my body, and it also gives my face a little bit of shape, you know, dimension, so we're not just flat. This is the Instant Age Rewind concealer, and this is in the shade 142 golden. I'll just put it like around here. Honestly, I might need a darker one because I got tan, but this might still, yeah, I think I need a darker one. LOL. This kind of is just looking like a concealer. So I have 146 tan. I'm gonna add a little bit of that, just a little bit, not too much, just because I did get tan, so I kind of forgot that I'm not as pale as I used to be. I'm dead. Okay, so that's actually not the contour I use. I mean, I use this sometimes, but not all the time. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour because it's pretty much just really blendable and it works really well. I, for some reason, didn't do that today because I either do that, I use the cream contour, or I just do this. But, you know, this works too. So I'm not mad. My forehead is low-key peeling, but we're gonna ignore that. So this is the product I usually use. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour. It's pretty good. I don't know why I didn't use it today, but alright. And then I like to go in with my Laura Mercier powder and just powder under my eyes. I don't really like to bake. I kind of just press the powder in. I feel like that way it really lasts super long. And I've always tried to like branch out and try different powders, but I always find myself coming back to this one. I don't know what it is. It just works so well. And then I also powder any other areas on my face that I usually get oily. And then I'll also, you know, blend a little underneath contour just to make sure we're all blended out. So the next thing I like to do is use a blush. I like to use this cream blush. I just found this recently. Well, they sent it to me, but I just finally got to use it. It's the Pixie On The Glow, the Pixie Beauty On The Glow blush, and it's a tinted moisturizing blush, and it just applies so beautifully. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like so beautiful the way that it applies, and also it has a really pretty sheen to it. I love it. And like everyone was asking about it when I posted that video, and I was like, I got you. And it's just super cute. I love it. So for my brows, sometimes I use brow gel, but recently I've just been using a spoolie to kind of comb them out, only because I have been growing out my eyebrows, hence why I have a slight unibrow right now, because I've been trying to use like castor oil. I don't really need it because honestly my brows are pretty bushy as it is, but my tails aren't even, and they haven't been even for a while, ever since this one lady messed them up. So I was trying to see if I could just fully grow them out and see if maybe they'll get a little bit more even. So ignore the bushy brows, but yeah, I've just been using a spoolie. So moving on to eyes, so I also like to usually use this contour, and I like to just take a little bit of it and put it in my eyes. It kind of gives me like that natural like shadow in my crease, just like a natural bronzy look, and it just goes with the rest of the tones of my face, if that makes any sense. And I just like to apply it, and you can do this with like just regular bronzer. It doesn't have to be a cream bronzer. I just feel like it adds a little bit of, I don't know, something. Keeps me looking like I tried. And then I like to just curl my lashes. I don't put any like concealer on my eyelids. I kind of like the way that your eyelids look with like out makeup when you're going for like an everyday look. I feel like it just has already like that natural darkness to it. So then I feel like when you add the bronzer and everything, it really makes it look like you had eyeshadow on. I don't know if that makes sense. Not everyone has darkness like on their eyelids and stuff, but I kind of do, so that's why I do it. And then yeah, I'm just curling my lashes. And the mascara that I've been loving recently, which I'm surprised because I usually only use waterproof mascara, is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. It's really, really good. It's super lengthening, and I just like it a lot. And it also adds volume. Like it's hard for me to find a mascara that not only adds length but volume too. Like you see that? So good. So stunning. The only thing is I always get mascara on my eyelid when I'm using this one. I don't know why. Maybe it's because they make them super long and then it's like it touches my eyelid, but I'm gonna put a little bit on my bottom one, my bottom lashes, nothing crazy. So then what I like to do is I like to take this eyeliner, and it is a black eyeliner, but I do have a few beauty marks on my face. And I don't know, they're like beauty marks slash freckles, and I like to just go over them because they get hidden away with makeup and everything. So I just dot anywhere that I see them, and I dot really lightly because I don't want it to be full on black, but I still want it to be noticeable that they were there, if that makes sense. And then onto the lips. So I don't remember exactly which lip combo I use. I think it's this one. I know the lipstick, but I don't remember the specific whatchamacallit, speaking of, where is that lipstick? Because I can't find it. Now this is going to take 10,000 years because I can't find a lipstick. That's annoying. So what I think I use is the Murillo Twins Times Beauty Creations lip liner in Poppin'. Pretty sure I use this one. And I just line my lip, you know, do the thing. Oh. Yeah, just line these bad boys. And don't worry if you get like outside the corners of your lips. I always go back with concealer and clean it. Also, the lighting is so weird. I really hope that this is focusing and not making me completely white. Anyways, I just lost my train of thought. The Maybelline Slim Ultimate Lipstick in the shade 799 More Taupe. After that, I'm going like this. A lot of people love the way that this lipstick looked on me. I was like, oh my god, thank you. It kind of reminds me of this lip liner I used to love, which I still love. I just haven't bought it in a really long time. The MAC Cosmetics Spice Lip Liner. That used to be my shit. Like, honestly, it's still like a favorite eyeliner of mine. Concealer. edges. Set with oh, I have mascara on my eyelid. LOL. Let me get that. I think we're done. This is how the look turned out. Now I don't usually set my face with setting spray, but for you guys, I'll do it in this video. I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this setting spray. It's really good. Do I even have anything left? Oh, I do. Okay. Okay, well, this is the finished look. What time is it? 10:34. Honestly, it would have took me even faster, but I had to talk, and also I couldn't find my lipstick for a good minute, so that's how you know this is fast. You can do this for school, for work, just if you're going out and you don't feel like trying that much. You're welcome. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl if you want to be part of the fam, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I hate that I do that. Bye guys. Bye guys. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god, I feel like I finally perfected my everyday makeup. Also, if you see my unibrow, mind your business.